Good morning. My full name is Ghaniba Nozanin Ghayratovna. I work as a teacher in Bucharest State Pedagogical Institute. Now I would like to have a lesson from the subject, the practice of language aspects. And the topic is festivals in their cultural concepts. Now I would like to introduce as a lesson outline. They are the first one, warm-up activity, open the box. Second one, introduction to section A, doing exercise from 37.1 from the handout. And the next one is mind map, introduction to section B. And the next one is group work, select the words from the box to write formal expressions. And the last one is presentations about festivals around the world. Now, let's begin the lesson with one warm-up activity, and it is about for revising the previous topic. And what should you do? Your task is you should spin the wheel to see which item comes up next. Here you can see your names are written in the wheels. I will spin the wheel and one word comes to the screen as Safarova Jasmina, and these students should answer the question of me, and I will ask some vocabularies related to the previous task. Now here it's the next activity. Open the box, and here you should tap each box in turn to open them up and reveal the item inside. You will choose one of them and answer the question. For example, if you choose the second one, you will see some questions under the number, and after you have answered, the number 2 disappear and you will answer other numbers questions. Now I will distribute some handouts, and here you can see some words in a noun form, verb form, and adjective form. As a noun form, there are big celebrations on New Year's Day. And as a verb, the New Year's Day is celebrated in many ways. The festival celebrates the new year. And as adjective, it was a public holiday and everyone was in a celebratory mood. As you see, celebrations as a noun, celebrate as a verb, and celebratory as an adjective. And the next word is festival. It's a noun form. The festival is held in March. What's festival itself? Festival is special day or event. The festivities go on 4 days, enjoyable activities. And there was a festive mood in the village during the spring holiday. And festive is an adjective. Here you can see there are no verb form of festive, festival. And you can see festival, special day event, festivity, enjoyable activities, and festive is adjective. Now next word is parade. The parade was in the town square, was very colorful, spectacle. And as a verb form, one of the anniversary of the battle, soldiers paraded through the streets. And parade as a verb, and you can see the word spectacular as an adjective. The parade is always very spectacular. And parade as a noun, parade as a verb, spectacle as a noun, spectacular as an adjective. Next word is feast. Everyone in the village attends a big feast in the evening. What's feast itself? It's a big meal to celebrate something. During the national holiday, there is a whole week of feasting and celebrations. Many of the customers have their origin in ancient ceremonies. A ceremonial procession goes through the streets of the city. Next one is renewal. The festival is a time of renewal. Each year the festival renews the national spirit of the people. The celebrations at the end of the world brought renewed hope to the people. Renewal as a noun, renew as a verb, renewed hope. It's adjective, it's as a determiner before the noun. and renewed hope to the people. And as you see, there is no verb for spectacle and no adjective for parade. Now here you can see one exercise. Use words and phrases from A opposite to rewrite the underlined words. Use the word class indicated to make any other necessary changes. As I explained it above, and you can see the verb form of celebration, festival, feeling of celebration, atmosphere of ceremony, part in a parade, in a mood for festival, spectacular, is in memory of 200th anniversary and a real spectacle. And you should rewrite the underlined words. Now, I will give you 5 minutes to do the task, then we will check. If you have done, now it's time to check the answers. First one, celebrates. Second one, festivities. Third one, celebratory feeling. Fourth one is a renewal of. 5, a ceremonial atmosphere, paraded. 6, in a festive mood. 7, a spectacle. 8, always false. 9, centenary, bicentenary. And 10, really spectacular. Now, introduction to section B. Other words and phrases connected with festivals. Here you can see some words with explanations and their examples in the next slides. What are these words? Superstitious, centenary, bicentenary, flamboyant, raucous, somber, atmospheric, trace it back to pagan times, and commemorates. And now we will start with superstitious. Superstitious means having illogical beliefs about hidden forces in nature. For example, a lot of people are very superstitious, especially about numbers and colors. Centenary and bicentenary. Centenary means 100th anniversary and bicentenary means 200th anniversary. Example, the festival celebrated the centenary and bicentenary of the country's independence. Next one, flamboyant, extremely colorful and exaggerated. Example, the Rio de Janeiro Carnival is always a very flamboyant and raucous event. Now, what's raucous? It means very noisy. The partying neighbors kept up their raucous laughter half the night. Next one is somber, serious, heavy and sad. The festival of the dead is very somber. Atmospheric. Atmospheric means has a special feeling or atmosphere. I'm atmospheric towards the festivals. Trace it back to pagan times, the times when people believed that nature had special powers. It can be traced back to pagan times. Commemorates, respects and remembers officially, formal. The annual holiday commemorates all those who died in the country's civil war. Now, if you have known the words and the translations, and you have known how to write examples with the words. Now we will do one activity. It's called mind map. Now, what's your task in the mind map? You should look around the class. You can see some festivals related expressions and words as their definitions. First, find the words and expressions. Second, find their definitions and insert them in the map. Okay, you can do. Now, next task. Here is an extract of someone talking about a festival using rather informal language. Write it as a more formal descriptions using words and expressions from the box instead of the underlined words. Make any other necessary changes. Now the words parade, atmospheric, focus, associate, trace, back to, raucous, pagan, symbolize, somber, superstitious, flamboyant, and renewal. This is the text. Now, after you have done the task, you can check your answers from this side. Now, consolidation part. Make a presentation about given festivals or celebrations using today's learned vocabulary. You have posters on the board. Look at the posters and describe the festival. The first one is Nowruz. Nowruz is celebrated in Central Asia, you know. Next one is Halloween, and the next one is Holi in India. And you should make a presentation about these given festivals. Now I will give you a home assignment. And which of these important days are celebrated in your country? What happens on them? Mother's Day, Independence Day, May Day, and Valentine's Day. Next, what's the most important day of the year in our country? What does it symbolize or commemorate? Next one, what does it feature? What are its origins? What sort of atmospheric does it have? If your home assignment is clear, I will tell goodbye to all of you and we will finish today's class. Thank you for your active participation during the class. Thanks for your attention.